welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The crisis in Rivers State is deepening despite the fact that the governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, had promised on his Sunday statewide broadcast that he will implement the Supreme Court justice or the Supreme Court judgment that restored the legitimacy of the 27 lawmakers who defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All-Progressive Congress that are widely known as the Pro-Wike Lawmakers, or lawmakers who were loyal to the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Wike. And it was in that spirit of Fubara saying that he will implement the judgment of the Supreme Court in compliance with the rule of law, despite the fact that he had reservations about the ruling of the Supreme Court. But he will obey it because the Supreme Court judgment is final. It was in that spirit that the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission has fixed a new date for the conduct of local government election in the state. Recall that the Supreme Court in its ruling nullified the October 5, 2024 election that was conducted by the same Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. So there was a need to conduct fresh election to fill the vacuum that was created by that nullification by the Supreme Court. And you know that in the speech by the Governor Fubara on Sunday, in a statewide speech, he noted that the local government had been notified by the Supreme Court, and he ordered the local government chairmen who were elected on October 5, 2024, to hand over to the heads of local government administration. Following that, the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission now fixed a new date for a fresh election, and it announced that the fresh election is going to take place on Saturday, August 9, 2025. That's the new date that has been fixed for fresh election into the Rivers State local government chairmanship positions and councillorship positions. The chairman of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, retired Justice Adolphus Enebeli, announced the new dates on Wednesday, March 5th, 2025, during a stakeholders meeting in Port Harcourt. And he said that this development, as I said earlier, was in compliance with the Supreme Court judgment that avoided the October 5, 2024 local government elections that was conducted by the same commission. And when he was speaking, the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission chairman said that they fixed the new election date in the exercise of the powers that was conferred on the commission by Section 5 of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission Law number 2 of 2018. Take note of that they fixed the dates in exercise of the powers that was conferred on the commission to fix the election date by Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission Law number 2 of 2018. Take note of this because that is important to the next thing we're going to talk about. Okay, because after the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission chairman announced this new date for election, there was a lot of applause for Governor Simi Fubara and the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission chairman for being proactive in fixing the new election date, meaning that Rivers State is ready to move on, despite all the money they have spent. It costs billions to conduct that local government election. Despite all the money, the printing work, the ballot papers and everything that they did, Supreme Court cancelled it, which had now become a waste of government resources, and said that there will be new election. Now they have gone ahead to fix a new date, showing that they are proactive and people were applauding them. While the applause was yet to die down, the Pro-Wike lawmakers came with their problem again. Instead of applauding the chairman of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission for being proactive, what they did, Martin Amehule led lawmakers that defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress, was to summon the chairman of the Independent Electoral Commission, Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, to appear before it within 48 hours. And why are they summoning them? They say they are summoning them because of the October 5, 2024 local government election and how they spend money to conduct it, who authorized them and all that. But that matter had become academic. That election was conducted. They themselves, the lawmakers, they went to court. It was because of them that the election was nullified. So what are they looking for? If not that they are looking for problem. It's trouble they are looking for. Because how do you expect? The Supreme Court agreed with them that the election ought to be voided, and the Supreme Court voided it for them. Now they say that the chairman must appear before it with his commissioners or the electoral commissioners to come and give financial return or financial account on how they spend money and others for election that they themselves didn't believe in. And the speaker, Martin Samehule, threatened that if he doesn't appear, that they are going to issue warrant of arrest on the chairman of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. That is part of the crisis brewing now again in Rivers State. Instead of this, the announcement of a new date for a new election bringing relief, it has rather caused tension. And it's not only that, they queried who authorized him, the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, who authorized him to announce a new date when he's supposed to come and first of all answer to their summon. They say that he rushed to announce a new date when they summon him and he's aware that they want to amend the Rivers State Electoral Commission, that he should have waited for them to amend some sections of the Electoral Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission Act, that he didn't wait, and he went and announced a new date. So they are angry with him. So what they want is, they want to amend the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, the act that empowers the chairman to announce a date. Perhaps they want to add some clauses that will make it difficult for the chairman to operate. Perhaps they want to usurp the power of appointment and say that Fubara has no rights to appoint a chairman. Perhaps that's the clause they want to add, that only this Rivers State House of Assembly can appoint the chairman, appoint the commissioners, appoint everybody. Maybe that's what they want to do. If not, what is their problem? It was the same Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission Act of 2018 that conducted the election of the last local government council chairman that emerged under Nyesom Wike. The same local government chairman, they extended their tenure illegally. That they have extended, when their tenure expired, these same people extended their tenure. Now they want to amend that law so that they will be in charge running the state. In fact, what they want is they will be the one running the show. They want to be the legislator, they want to be the executive. And you say that there will not be crisis. Crisis is brewing in Rivers State. And we're all going to witness how it will end. Whether it will end well for Nigeria or it will end badly. We all going to witness it. Already, those who are perceptive have warned us, including former President Goodluck Jonathan, that what he sees in Rivers State, that Rivers State represents to South and North Niger Delta, what the political crisis in Western region, which led to Operation Weighty, that torpedoed the First Republic, that the things happening in Rivers State is similar to that. And you know that Operation Weighty eventually led to the military coup, because the young military officers were sympathetic to Awolowo, and they struck. Following that misadventure, we had a civil war. Nobody knows how this will end. If this fight that the Pro-Nyesom Wike people had been emboldened to embark on by the Supreme Court continues unabated. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you. Do you think that this crisis brewing in Rivers State could consume the whole of Niger Delta eventually? Or you think that this is just a passing phase in Nigeria's political history, that it will soon fade away? What do you think? How do you think that this crisis will be resolved when the Pro-Nyesom Wike people appears to be laying ambush against Simi Fubara, despite his efforts to implement the Supreme Court's judgment? Let's hear from you. What do you think about this at the comment section? Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.